Okay, this is a 2000 Ranger, and we're going to do the upper ball joint, okay? But first, you really have to do is take apart the disc brake, okay, assembly, so we can get out of the way. So what you have is the two 13 millimeter. All you have to do is push the hose aside and just loosen it up, okay? So, tap it. There we go. There's one on the top there, and then there's one also on the bottom here. And again, we'll just there we go, and we'll get that loose. Alright, when you take the caliper off, make sure that you support it properly from the surface, okay? And then we can drive the bolt out, and then I can do something over here on this side. Okay, I'm going to try to tap it to break it. Okay, with some banging I was able to get it free, and looks like it's fairly clean in there, so I don't have to really. So now we're going to take the two bolts off here, and we should be able to get. Alright, now the bracket should come off. Let's just tap it a little bit. Let's give it a couple of love taps just to get it loose. There we go. And there she is. Axle. And there she is. Looks like the same part. So theoretically, it should just bolt right up without any adjustments into the same point. And I should be able to just put these and torque them down, okay? So let's get them started. And then straighten out the ball joint. And the reason that I'm doing all this is because all the rubber on these ball joints are broken. I don't know why, but they're all shot. So I figure I just do it while I was taking everything else apart. And then I'll actually put a jack under the bottom, and then we'll push it up and cinch the bolt down, okay? Alright, let's try that. Alright, so to finish off, I've jacked up the torsion bar in, and so now we're going to make this connection. We're just going to push it down. Alright, I got it seated, and now I'm just tightening up the bolt, and I'm going to push it in. This is a little tight, so I'm going to see if I can get it to fit. Where's the grease?